You know, one of the core strategies of all the successful companies is building a sound maintenance agreement program. I look around the country at some of our best clients, and one of the things I notice, they all have strong maintenance agreements programs. In fact, I know of at least 3 or 4 companies that have upwards of 20,000 maintenance agreements. Now stop and think about that for a second, right? 20,000 maintenance agreements, that's 40,000 visits. So it's one winter and one in the summer. But think about this. For a company that charges maybe $15 or $20 a month, you're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars a month that are coming in the first of every month, and you got 40,000 service calls to run. Think of the opportunities that you're going to have in running those 40,000 opportunities. One company I know, in fact, who also does plumbing, includes a free annual plumbing inspection in the service agreement. That's 3 times a year we're in the house. Think about the opportunities that we're going to have to find and solve problems for the homeowners. So this maintenance agreement program is critical to a strong foundation on which you can build a really profitable company.